Cheers. Look here. Would you look at this? I found Katie's dream. Look at that. See that? Compared to this one. It's a longer screw than usual.
It's funny. Oh yeah, baby.
If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Good Monday evening, everybody. Time to get back to the greenhouse project. A little bit of change of plans. I was going to do steel on the bottom, but in interest of efficiency, I can use whole panels, go the whole way down. And if I decide that I'm going to put steel on it, we can come back and do that later. But right now we need to get this greenhouse cracking. As you know, with all the time I spend sitting on the sofa, I haven't got to the greenhouse. This thing needs to be rocking and rolling here in another week or so. At minimum, we probably should have plants in it already, but well, it ain't done yet. Next year at this time we'll have plants in there, guarantee it. So let's drink a beer and get her done. Oh, well, how's that look? Not too bad, huh? Now we gotta put a roof on it yet, obviously. Already echoes in here. Hear that? Yeah, we're gonna rip them stickers off yet tonight before those damn wind gets a hold of them. We'll do that right now. Like I said, Sun Sky polycarbonate. If anybody's interested, turn it sideways. So I turn the camera sideways, it's going to screw up my video. But I think correct. There we go. Oh yeah, I got that one. Not that one. Not that one. Call it finishing touches. Come on. All right. Well, not sure why they need to put all that garbage on there, but whatever. I'll find a home for that in a fire pit somewhere. That's not so bad, huh? Now you'll notice over here on this side, we have a little bit of a gap. And that's because we got to have a hinge side for the door. And we left a little bit here for the door to close on. So I think that'll work out pretty well. I think. So that's the wall panels. Minus that much. conservation, conserving materials. I don't have a whole lot of waste when I'm trying to build things. I usually try to measure out materials to use all of them that I can, because, well, what's the point of throwing a bunch of shit away that you just paid money for? So let's go see if we can get the tiller running, shall we? Well, look at that janky piece of shit. We're definitely gonna need a Budweiser to fix this piece of shit. So, those cheap and plastic wheels, with my fat ass riding that fucking thing, you're not supposed to ride your rototiller, but whatever. That broke. So my solution is we're gonna go with a straight axle. Straight axle is always the way to go. Bingo bango, 1/2-inch threaded rod. Dug around, found a 15-30 seconds bit, which is close enough. We just give her a little, we'll hog around a little bit. Put a straight axle on that son of a bitch. I got some tires around here for it. I don't know. Oh, here they are. Hang on. Hang on. There we go. Look at them motherfuckers. Look at these things. Look at that, huh? They got bearings and everything. Well, that doesn't give you a little fucking chubby. I don't care who you are. Alright, well, we'll come over here. We'll scrap these sons of bitches. Hang on. That thing gonna sit there, I don't know. You like my stellar camera work? Me too. It's great. Love it. Come on, mother. Let's get a drill bit, because that shit always gets crazy. Woo! Come on now. Got it. We're just going to have to give her all the way now. It don't matter. It'll be fine. The center part of this, you don't need the center part of the threads anyway, it's the blockhead. I'm actually using nylock nuts on here so it doesn't back off, eh? Look at that. Huh? Is that gonna start? Oh yeah, of course it will. Pretty much as straight as Ellen. It's fine. Oh yeah, good enough. I seen a little splash in there. Fuck, that's good enough. Alright, well, whatever. Gas in there, hell, there's a little bit of fuel in there. It's all fuel from last winter, so, or last fall, summer, whenever the hell I tilled the garden last, it doesn't matter. See if this homophobic piece of crap start. What do we got? I always like that little limp dick hanging there, not working where you shit. That's always good, huh? Well, what do we get? Holy crap, huh? Briggs and Stratton, baby. Let her dig. I was actually talking to her, by the way. One pull, I ain't started it since last year. I only took one pull to fire it off. Wow! Alright, so I know there's a whole bunch of you that are like, what the fuck is he doing tilling a garden that big with a rototiller like that? Well, that's what I got. Yeah, with a 3-point PTO powered tractor fucking rototiller would be nice. Yeah, it would. But you know what? I don't have one. I'm not spending that kind of fucking money right now. So guess what? A little yard machine with a Briggs & Stratton 5-horse on it. Fucking giver. Guess what? We're still gonna grow shit just like you do. So I'm gonna rototill till I can't see anymore, or my bootlaces get stuck in a rototiller and chop my foot off. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up. Stop in on a Wednesday night, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time. Say hello. I gotta get back to work. Oh, and a word to the wise, don't ever run the rototiller after dark with your pecker hanging out.